What's up everybody, it's me Aijalon and I'm doing a basic everyday makeup tutorial. So first things first, I'm going to prep my face with Glam Glow's Illuminating Moisturizer. And I am putting this on a clean face. I washed my face right before I did this video, so it is squeaky clean. Then I'm going to move into my eyebrows and I'm going to be using BH Cosmetics Flawless Brow Trio, and it is definitely dusty, rusty, and crusty. I have used it like every day. It's almost time for me to replace it. This is like my favorite brow product ever. Like, it gives me literally flawless brows. And I just used the gel, the brow gel. Well, is it gel? It's like a pomade, whatever it is. Then after I fill in my brows, I'm going to go in with LA Girl Pro Concealer. I can't remember the color, so I'm going to put it in the description box. And I am going to clean up underneath my brow and then around like the tail area on the top of my brow. And I'm just using a small concealer brush, and I am going to blend it out with my fingers. Next, I'm going to prime my face with Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And I just started using this primer and I actually like it a lot. I thought it was overrated, but I really do like it and see why people use it a lot. It's awesome. Next, I'm going to go in with Neutrogena's Rapid Dark Circle Remover. I think that's what it's called. I can't remember, but I'm going to put it in the description box. And I just like to put this underneath my eyes, especially when I haven't gotten enough sleep. It just brightens up underneath the eye a lot. And then next, I'm going in with this illuminating pencil. I think it's actually for eyeshadow, but I use it on my face. I know it's crazy, but I just like a very dewy and glowy look. Then I'm going in with NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop, and I'm going to put the shade in the description box as well. I love this foundation. It gives me a very skin-like finish, and I just think that's awesome. Then I'm going to just blend the foundation out with a flat top foundation brush. And literally all of my brushes are from BH Cosmetics. Gotta make sure everything is seamless. Then I am going to go in with a beauty sponge and just make sure that like I don't have any splotchy areas or anything like that, just to make sure that my foundation is splendid. Next, I'm going to contour with BH Cosmetic Contour Palette, and this is one of my personal favorites. Like, it's almost gone. I have another one, but I just can't find it, so I'm using this one today. And I'm using like the second to the last color to just contour my like cheekbones and around like my temples and my forehead, because my forehead is a lot darker than the rest of my face, so it's really hard to find a foundation that matches, so I have to contour my forehead. It's no way around it. So I'm just doing those areas, and then I'm going to go in with the same color and do my nose. And a little trick that I actually got from somebody, when I contour my nose, I just make sure I bring that contour up into my eyelid, especially for like basic makeup tutorials like this, or makeup looks like this. When I don't wear eyeshadow, it's good to bring the contour up just to add an extra definition to your face. So then I'm going to go in with a larger flat top brush and just make sure that like my contour and my foundation and everything is blended pretty well, because I want this look to look as natural as possible, so I don't want anything to look harsh. Then I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution fixing spray, the green tea one, and just spray my face in the X motion a couple of times. Fan myself. And then I'm going to highlight, which is my favorite part. I am using a highlight by Estée Lauder, I believe. And I actually love this. I got this as a sample when I went to Essence Fest, and it is the bomb.com. I love this this highlight. It looks very natural. It gives me like a wet look, and I love that. So after I use that highlight, I also like to go in with the It's My Raye palette and use the, I think it's the Moonlight highlight, and go over the top of it with just a little bit with a bigger fan brush. It just makes it look like a skin finish because of the color, as you guys can see. Then I'm going to move on to my lips. I'm just going to line my lips with a brown liner. I don't know what this liner is called. It's super duper old. I couldn't find the NYX one I was going to use. And then I am going to use this LA Color lipstick that I got from Walmart for like $2. I'm not sure what the shade is, but I'll put it in the description box. And just fill in my lips. And that completes the look. I actually added some lashes off camera. And this is what I do for my basic days. I hope you guys like it and enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!